guys, welcome back to SM Smart Classes. पिछली क्लास में हमने क्वेश्चन किया था रिगार्डिंग EBIT EPS एनालिसिस. आज भी हम उसी के रिगार्डिंग और क्वेश्चंस देंगे. सो यहाँ पर पहले क्वेश्चन मैंने लिख लिया है. तो हमें दिया हुआ है इक्विटी कैपिटल 50 lakhs, 40 lakhs and 30 lakhs. First situation में we have our debentures as nil. In second situation we have our debentures 10 lakhs. Third situation 20 lakhs. We given EBIT of 7 lakh rupees and we given tax 30% per annum and our interest. So you may note down this question and do it on your own. Try. पहले आप try करो because you've done it in a previous class. So try it yourself and till then I'll solve the question. Okay. तो जिनको समझ में आ गया वो तो they'll be able to solve it. But अगर फिर भी you need more clarification तो ये questions सारे clarifications and doubts clear कर देगा and you'll be able to solve this question on your own in the examination. So we given EBIT is 7 lakhs. I'll put it here. We talk about first situation. I'll solve each and every situation separately so that you have more and more clarity. So we given interest debentures में हमको देना पड़ता है इसलिए हम डिडक्ट करते हैं. हमारे पास फर्स्ट सिचुएशन में कोई डिबेंचर्स नहीं है, हमने इनकलकेट नहीं किया. So we keep it as nil and we will get 7 lakhs as our interest before tax. Okay. So now we'll deduct tax. So we given tax at the rate of 30% per annum and 7 lakh per 30% is 2,10,000. Okay. So now we get our interest after tax which is 4,90,000. We had an equity capital of 50 lakhs. तो जो नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स हैं 5 lakhs एट द रेट ऑफ 10. सो अब हम 4,90,000 को 5 लाख से डिवाइड करेंगे एंड वील गेट आवर EPS एज 0.98. ओके, pretty simple, very easy. We have to follow this procedure each and every time. It's very simple. कुछ नया change होके नहीं आएगा. It will remain the same. So moving on to the second situation. Okay, we are in the second situation. We are given debentures of 10 lakh rupees. So we have to give interest of 10% on those 10 lakh. So उसका 10 lakh का 10% is 1 lakh. So we get our interest before tax as 6 lakhs. Now we'll deduct tax 30%. अब नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स हमारे पास 40 lakhs की इक्विटी कैपिटल थी. सो 4 lakh शेयर्स एट द रेट ऑफ 10. ओके, अब हम इसे डिवाइड करेंगे एंड वील गेट 1.05. अगेन वेरी सिंपल, सेम थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. वील डू द थर्ड सिचुएशन. In the third situation, we have our debentures as 20 lakhs. So we'll take out interest on 20 lakhs, 10%. So we get our interest as 2 lakhs. Okay. So 5 lakhs. Okay. Tax, 30% tax on 5 lakh. So we get our interest and tax after tax. And number of shares हमारे पास 3 lakh 30 lakhs equity capital 3. So we have 3 lakh shares at the rate of 10. We'll get 1.16 as our earning per share. Now we'll compare first, second and third situation to understand this concept better. Okay, so in the first situation we had equity capital as the most, we had 50 lakhs, okay, and debentures as nil. So the output or the earning per share we got was 0.98. It's pretty low. So next situation में we included debentures worth 10 lakh rupees. So we got our EPS as 1.05. So वहाँ पर EPS डिडक्ट हुई थी by 10 lakhs and 10 lakhs हमने as debentures लिए. So obviously हमारे शेयर की प्राइस बढ़ी. The earning per share got increased or the market value of the share got increased. So in the third situation हमने और debentures लिए because we were getting more profit through debentures. So we included more of them and हमारी equity capital कम हो गई to 30 lakhs. So हमने और profits earn किए, हमने और ज़्यादा अपना earning per share बढ़ाया, हमारा market price और ज़्यादा increase हुआ. So सबसे अच्छी situation हमारे पास third situation है. Third situation is the best situation. But this is not enough to decide whether this is a favorable financial leverage or unfavorable financial leverage. मैंने last class में बताया था we need to calculate return on investment to ensure that we have taken a good decision. So again we calculate here ROI. Okay. ROI का formula EBIT upon total capital into 100. So ROI कैलकुलेट करेंगे हम अपना EBIT रख के जो कि हमारा 7 lakhs था. टोटल कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड हम हर सिचुएशन की लेंगे. जैसे टोटल कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इन द फर्स्ट सिचुएशन वाज 50 lakhs into 100. सो उसको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर हम सेकंड सिचुएशन के साथ कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर थर्ड सिचुएशन के साथ. तो आपकी भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी जब आप हर सिचुएशन का ROI निकालोगे एंड यू विल नो whether your decision is good or bad. Okay, so हमने फर्स्ट सिचुएशन की EBIT निकाली. 7 lakhs EBIT. Total capital employed in the first situation was 50 lakhs into 100. We got 14% and 14% is more than 10%. We paid 10% as our interest. So we are getting 14% as our return. So 4% is more. We're getting more. So obviously it's a favorable financial leverage. Okay, so now we'll talk about the second situation. Okay, so second situation EBIT remains the same. And the equity share capital got decreased to 40 lakhs. So we put it here. 40 lakhs. Okay. Now we'll calculate what is our return on investment. So after calculation, we get our ROI as 17.5%. It is higher than before. इसका मतलब the second situation is a lot more better than the first situation. And it is more favorable. Obviously it's favorable financial leverage, but it's ज़्यादा better है. Okay, so now we will decide the third, so we can decide which is the best suitable for the business. So third situation में हमारे debentures increase हो गई and जो हमारी capital employed थी वो कम हो गई थी. And as you can see, we have the best possible results. In the third situation, we get our return as 23.33%, which is the highest. So we obviously choose the third situation for our business because it's the best. तो हमें third situation लेनी चाहिए. We should implicate debentures because of debentures our earning per share is increasing. The market value of our shares are increasing. So that's the most favorable financial leverage. And this is what financial leverage means. Okay. In the next class, we'll do fixed and working capital. Factors which affect the fixed capital requirement, and also learn about working capital, and last but not the least, factors which affect the working capital requirements. Then we wind up this whole chapter. Pretty easy, अच्छी weightage होती है boards में. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.